Hello, Hackmut. Welcome to the Bloodbuds. I am Shubham Patel, and me with my teammate Ayush Halekar and two other teammates who are working on
That's it.
presentation are here to show you our project which we have made in this hackathon. So basically, the main aim of Bloodbuds is to blind blood donors in the need of the minute, that is at the emergency. So any blood donor who have registered on our portal will be displayed on our donor map, which will be further explained by Ayush in the coming section. I'll be explaining the registration of the user. So first the user will come on the my data portion, then he'll give the username and password which he or she will further use for the login into the application. Then he or she will give his full name, his contact number, his address, and his blood group so that this information will be displayed on the main page of the donor map so that a person can contact him. Further, we have also mentioned some of the rules which the donor must fulfill to be accepted as a donor, and if he or she is violating any of the rules, we suggest to not register as a user. And we have also mentioned some of the organizations which are good in the blood bank, organizations for blood donation at the end of the website. And after registering as a user, when we proceed, the login portion will appear where I'll log in with my username and password. After the login page, the second page of our website is compatibility page. On this page, you can check the compatibility of your blood group. So like if I say my blood group is B negative and I don't know which blood can I receive. So checking this chart, I can know that I can receive B positive, B negative, AB positive and AB negative blood group so that I don't go into some misconception and my health gets into danger. Further portion of the website will be explained by Ayush, and most of the backend and the website work is done by Ayush himself.
Okay. Hi everyone. So I'm going to explain the donor map page of our website. So as you can see, this is the most essential page of our website. There is a map and the marker with the label home. This is basically the user's location, live location. The user is logged in. His live location can be seen on the map with the marker labeled user home. Sorry, home. And this red color circle is the search radius. And within this, all the members of the community can be seen. Their live location can be seen on the map. So let's say, for example, we check this. So this Ayush Hagekar 12, this is a user, and you can see the blood group and his blood group, his address, and we can also call him up. So so this solves our main problem that in case of emergencies, when we need to find potential donors, we can have their contact and we can seamlessly connect with them. And as you can see, there's also filtering for the search radius. If in case we don't find the right person within 10 kilometers, we can increase the search radius so that we can see more number of people available on the website. So yeah, this is the main feature of our donor map. Thus, this helps in efficient communication in terms of in the efficient communication in emergencies. So there's this another feature on our website which is called the emergency module. So what happens basically if you're in case of an emergency, you can just write out the image explaining write out a text explaining the emergency. Let's say for example, my brother had a heart attack, need help. So when I click on this message gets broadcasted to all the members of our application within a 2 kilometer radius. So along with the user's live location, so that if there's anyone available, he can come forward and help out till the time emergency essential services come to the rescue of the person. So let's say for example, I've just clicked on send, and can you see this? message. This is the one that I've just received.
Yes.
It
Can you?
says that it
Yeah.
says the exact message and the address of my live address right now from where I had sent the
Can you
message.
read the message for us, Ayush?
So the message says my brother had a heart attack, need help. Address is New Golden East Road, Bhayandar East, Mumbai,
Okay.
Maharashtra.
Thank you so much.
We have used Twilio API for SMS service, and we have used Google Maps API for rendering the map and taking the live location of people. Yeah, so this is our website. Thank you so much. Bloodbuds out.